Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Oba. Today I'm going to share with you how to make goat milk lotion. You are all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about the ingredient. You need goat milk. Today I'm not feeling well, so my voice will not be clear for you, but that's okay. You also need distilled water, and we are going to use emulsifying wax, almond oil, and shea butter. Okay, if you don't have goat milk, you can use a whole milk, that's cow milk, a whole milk. Yeah, because the butter fat in goat milk is the same as the cow milk when you are using a whole milk. So you need your shea butter, your sweet almond oil. You can choose to change and use mango butter or cocoa butter, or the sweet almond oil. You can choose to use olive oil, sunflower oil, any carrier oil of your choice. You can use it. You also need preservative. So today I'm using Optiphen Preservative because it's good for milk. When you are doing milk products, you need a strong preservative, and this one is good. You need Lemongrass Essential Oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, or you can even choose to use fragrance oil. So what you will do is you add your shea butter to the almond oil. So I told you the oils and the butter are changeable. Next, you add your emulsifying wax. Goat milk contains lactic acid that can help exfoliate the skin and at the same time brighten the skin. Also, it's good for eczema and skin rashes. So next, you create a water bath by filling a large pot with water and place both jar in the pot. So what we are going to do is double boil the oil and the water. So goat milk contains a lot of skin benefits. It can even lighten that spot and even brighten your skin tone very well. Heat on a low medium heat until the oil mixture have completely melted. The water should not boil. You don't have to boil the water. It has to look steamer. So it's like steaming it. You have to steam it. And add the goat milk to the heated water. So you add your goat milk to the heated water after it has steam. So next, all you are going to do is you slowly pour in the water phrase while blending it. So you add your water phrase to your oil phrase or your oil mixture. So those who have been donating to my PayPal account to support my YouTube channel, thank you very much. And thank Fatu Sokwe something, I forgot the name. I don't even know how to pronounce your name, but thank you for your donation. I really appreciate it. So keep blending the mixture until everything combined. So you keep blending it to make sure that the oil and the water has really combined well. So if you are making milk lotion, make sure you sanitize your equipment very well, because if you don't sanitize your equipment, it doesn't matter the preservative you will use, your milk lotion is going to spoil. So keep continue mixing it or blending it until the temperature drops to 120 degrees. So now the temperature have dropped to 120 degrees. I'm going to add my preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice, but make sure that the preservative you are using is, you can use it in a milk lotion, because when it comes to milk product, it's very difficult to protect it from bacteria. So make sure you are using a strong preservative. Also next, you add your essential oil to it. You can use fragrant oil or any essential oil of your choice. It depends on you what you like. Customize it to suit you. That's what you have to do. So stay blended until fully mixed, because you have to mix it again, so to make sure that all the preservative and the essential oil has mixed very well. Next, what we are going to do is pour into our bottle when it's cooled down. So you pour into your bottle, but when you pour it look very light. Yeah, it look very liquid, but it's going to thicken up. It's going to thicken up very thick when it's cooled down. It will really become very thick. That's one thing about lotion, or goat milk lotion. That's one thing about milk lotion. You can use cow milk, but I told you use a whole milk. Yeah, so once completely cooled down, you place your cap on top of the bottle. So you make sure you don't cover the bottle, but let it cool down completely before you cover it. So let me show you how thick it is. So I even have to shake the bottle before the lotion will come out. And this lotion, you can even add whitening oils to it to make a skin lightening lotion. It will work very well. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my videos. Bye bye.